Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth and today I'll be explaining about 01 knapsack problem. So let's start. First of all, what is knapsack problem? Knapsack basically means a bag of given capacity. We have to pack n items in a bag where the ith item is worth VI dollars and weighs WI pounds. We take a load as valuable as, but it should not exceed W pounds. Thus, the input given will be a knapsack with capacity and an array of weights and their corresponding values. By these input, we have to pack the knapsack with maximum value in such a manner that the total weight of the items should not be greater than the capacity of the knapsack. Knapsack problem can be further divided into two parts, that is fractional knapsack and 01 knapsack. Next, we'll be looking to 01 knapsack problem. In 01 knapsack problem, each item is either taken or not taken. There cannot be a situation where a fractional amount of an item is taken or an item is taken more than once. Fractional knapsack problem can be solved by greedy strategy, whereas 01 knapsack problem is not. This is because it is unable to fill the knapsack to capacity. Also, greedy approach doesn't ensure an optimal solution. Thus, it can be solved by dynamic programming approach. Next, we'll look to 01 knapsack problem using FIFO, that is first in first out approach. So in this approach, we first draw a state space tree and set the upper as infinity. Thereafter, we compute the Cx and Ux for each node where the value of Ux is the summation of all the values of P and the value of Cx is Ux subtracted to m minus current total weight divided by actual weight of the remaining object multiplied to the actual profit of the remaining. Next, we check that if Ux is minimum than upper, then we set upper to Ux, and if Cx is greater than upper, then we kill the node X. After that, the live node becomes E node and we generate children for E node. Next, we repeat these previous steps until all the nodes gets covered. At last, the minimum cost Cx becomes the answer node and we trace the path in backward direction from X to root for solution subset. Next, we'll be looking to 01 knapsack problem using LCBB, that is least cost branch and bound strategy. The least cost is considered the most intelligent approach as it selects the next node based on a heuristic cost function. It picks the one with the least cost. As 01 knapsack is about maximizing the total value, we cannot directly use the LC branch and bound technique to solve this. Instead, we convert this into a minimization problem by taking negative of the given values. Next, we'll look to the approach of least cost branch and bound strategy. First, we sort the items of their value by weight of value by rate ratio and insert a dummy node into the priority queue. We repeat the next few steps until the priority queue is empty. So, we extract the peak element from the priority queue and assign it to the current node. If all the upper bound of the current node is less than the minimum lower bound of all the nodes explored, then there is no point of exploration. So we continue with the next element. The reason for not considering the nodes whose upper bound is greater than minimum lower bound is that the upper bound stores the best value that might be achieved. If the best value itself is optimal than minimum lower bound, then exploring that path is of no use. Thereafter, we update the path array. If the current node's level is n, then we check whether the lower bound of the current node is less than the final level minimum lower bound. If it is true, then we update the final path as well as the final level minimum lower bound. Otherwise, we continue with the next element. After that, we calculate the lower and upper bounds of the right child of the current node. If The current item can be inserted into the knapsack. Then we calculate the lower and upper bound of the left child of the current node. At last, we update the minimum lower bound and insert the children if their upper bound is less than minimum lower bound. So that's it for the day. Thank you.